best time to make dua. Allah guarantees to accept any dua at this time. Our Prophet reminds that on every Friday there is an hour that if anybody makes dua, Allah will respond to that person, and today is Friday. Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said while talking about Friday, "There is a time on it, Friday, at which Allah grants the request of any Muslim servant who, at this time, happens to be asking Allah for something while standing in prayer." And the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, pointed with his hand to indicate that this period of time is very short. Majority of scholars say that it is between Maghrib and Asr. So, today is Friday and we should emphasize on this to make dua at this precious time. Remember your Muslim brothers, sisters in your country in your precious prayers. Jazak Allah. Revive Sunnah.